This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. The job is about organizing. It's not about cleaning today. Of course that because we have to remove some things on top of the dresser, we have to clean a little bit the TV, but it's not the main concern. We already do the beds and we remove all the toys from here and we put it downstairs. In this corner, the hamper, the book bag, some clothes there, shoes, and one flush toy there. It's not about cleaning, it's not about vacuum, but this room already look much better and organized. Uh-oh. Let me put this back. Okay. So, downstairs. We're gonna bring this. Mira, aquí hay que poner todas las cosas del señor, las herramientas. Cuidado. Ya, esos no son toys. Esto es un toy. And this is a toy. Trata que cierre las cajas. Downstairs we put all the toys. She doesn't have any furniture here. She removed the furniture and instead she agreed to put all the toys here. Today we bring those toys cabinets or bins so it will be more organized. Sandra did an amazing job. Gracias, Sandra. She put the guns on the wall. Amazing. Really good. Really good. You are good, Sandra. I don't know how she did it. Some Crayolas here. Storybooks, comics, everything about cards in this container. Little pieces in this container. Little tiny pieces, random. Flying things. Everything about flying. Some tools, toys. Here controls. And everything about mask. And also glove. Iron Man glove. Okay, so far so good. In this container, little toys, plastic, a little flush toys, balls, Pokemon cards, this kind of bullet, I think it's Nerf. Here, everything about dog, spinners, everything about this here in this section. Toys, car, school supplies, pen, erasers, dinosaurs in this area, Robocops, Transformers, little Transformers here, cars, everything here. Guns. Okay. In these plastic containers, we are putting the husband tools, and he has now a place where to put it. Maybe he can have an organizing or something in the garage. This section, table and games. I already put all the controllers and the flying things here in this container. Thanks Mary for giving me this container, and this client is gonna use that. In the other container, the laser guns for the games. So this section is about games. Ya, cierra mis cosas. Sí, son míos. Yo soy la revoltosa aquí. My cameras. Ciérralo. Ya. El hilo de pescar es mío, mis herramientas. Ya. Voy a cortar, vamos al sewing room.